Okay, it's finally time to try our first flight. Just use your energy. And be careful. No, goten. Flying and hopping are two different things.
Huh?
Use your energy.
Oh. You mean, like
Yeah,
this?
that's it. Wow, good job.
Look at me, Gohan. I'm a little birdie.
That's really great, Goten. Not so high.
Don't worry, Gohan.
Goten, are you okay? Goten, see, you should have listened to me. But don't worry, at this rate, you'll be flying high in no time.
When can we have our real training?
Shh, just as soon as Videl leaves, I promise we'll train extra hard after that, okay?
Okay. Gohan! Have you forgotten about me?
Oh, no, I'm coming. It's getting late in the afternoon. You think you should go call your dad and tell him where you are?
I'm not moving an inch unless it's through the air.
Okay, fair enough. Then let's start from the beginning. Feel the energy from your stomach and slowly bring it out. Relax your muscles. That's the energy. Now push it up. Yeah, you got it! Look, you're floating!
Gohan, I'm trying to concentrate.
That's incredible, Videl! No one learns how to fly on their first day!
Is that a fact? Ha! Birdie, a birdie! Goten is a birdie!
Of course, Goten is an exception. He's been controlling his energy for a long time, you see, and besides, it's in his blood, and well, what can I say? Kids learn so fast, don't you think?